Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad NASRIN gonna present about theories of economic development. There's a few theories that I'm gonna share with you here. First of all, the traditional economic growth theory. This theory emphasizes the capital formation and saving as the driver of economic growth, and it also promotes the investment in physical infrastructure and technology. Basically, we invest in infrastructure and technology such as road, transportation, and etc. Then we move on. This economic growth theory also favors free market policies and private sector development. The contribution from Robert Solow and others prominent economists is toward the traditional economic growth. Critics include it to focus on the GDP growth at the expenses of social and environmental consideration. Next, we go to human capital. In human capital theory, it highlights the significance of education and skills in enhancing productivity. In order to have the education and skills, this theory fosters sustainable development by promoting investment in human capital. Investment can be in for universities, schools, and any educations. It also emphasizes lifelong learning and continuous skill development. It contribute from Theodore Schultz and other scholars. Critics include its too reliance on Western education models and overly individualistic focus. Next, we go to the institutional theory. Institutional examine the roles of institution in shaping economic outcomes. It focuses on inclusive and accountable institution as catalysts for development. It usually promotes political and social reform that strengthen the institute. This theory is contributed from Douglas North, and critics include this theory has lack of attention to power dynamics and the influence of other factors. Next, we go to the structural transformation theory. This theory explores the dynamic of transition from agriculture to industry and services. Basically, we change the structure of uh, the industry, and this theory acknowledge the needs for resources to reallocate and diverse, and emphasize the importance of market-oriented policies and the investment in social infrastructure. This theory is contributed by W. Arthur Lewis, and critique includes its challenges in addressing poverty and equality in rural areas. Thank you. That's all from me.